My child, stop turning around to look at what's already gone. I know your past still hurts. I know the memories, the mistakes, and the people who walked away still live inside your heart. But listen to me, I am not in your past anymore. I am in your future. You keep asking, God, why did this happen to me? But what you call loss, I call preparation. What you see as an ending, I see as a new beginning. The pain you felt, the tears you cried, none of it was wasted. I used it to shape your heart, to strengthen your spirit, and to prepare you for something greater than you've ever imagined. So when I tell you don't look back, it's because your blessing isn't behind you, it's ahead of you. Every time you look back, you delay the miracle that's waiting for you. You can't move forward while your heart is still chained to yesterday. Remember Lot's wife? I told her not to look back, but she couldn't let go of what she was leaving behind. And because of that, she missed the promise I had for her. Don't make the same mistake, my child. Let go of what broke you, and trust me to heal you. That person who left, it was part of my plan. That door that closed, I shut it for your protection. That failure that humiliated you, I allowed it to redirect you. You may not understand it right now, but one day, you'll thank me for the things that didn't work out, because everything you lost was making room for what's coming next. I'm about to open new doors, new relationships, new opportunities that will remind you why it never worked out before. I'm bringing peace to the places that once brought pain. I'm sending joy where there used to be tears. I'm restoring what the enemy tried to destroy. But I need you to stop looking behind. Stop comparing your present to your past. Stop replaying old conversations in your head. It's time to step into the future, written for you, a future full of hope, purpose, and blessings. So take my hand, lift your head, and walk with faith. The storm is over. The pain is behind you. What's ahead is beautiful, and it's waiting for you. Don't look back, because your future is greater than anything you left behind. Trust me, I am making all things new.